All right, this is the second film that's really intended for children in Year 2 and Year 1. And what we're going to do is we are busily practicing our C chord. Give us a C, an F, and a G7. Now you might want to check your ukulele's in tune. If it's not, a grown-up can tune it for you. Okay, hold your ukulele flat against you with the stickers down towards the ground, and you're going to start from that top string, which is G, and it should go like this. I'm just going to tune mine up slightly because it's out of tune. Right, okay, let's try that again. G and C and E and A. G, C, E, A. If your ukulele doesn't sound like that, get a grown-up or get somebody who can tune it for you to tune it up. Don't just twiddle those knobs crazily because it could end up sounding like terrible, okay? And a ukulele needs to sound nice because it's so beautiful. Okay, so second film. So we've already been practicing our C's and F's and G7s. So this is a bit of a practice for us for this old man. You're going to need a C, an F, and a G7. And it's for this song in the ukulele from the beginning. And it's for this song, This Old Man, okay? This old man. He played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone, this old man went rolling home. And you can see where the chord changes because they're just above the words. So whenever you get to that word, that's the chord you need to play on that word. So it goes C for this old man. He played one. And then it goes, for he played, it goes F. He played knick-knack, and for on my thumb, you go G7. Now, at the beginning, you'll notice it's 2. There's a number 2, which means your strumming pattern can be 2s, like this. 1, 2, 1. So it'd be like, this old man, he play one. Try that on orange C. 1, 2, 1, 2. This old man, he played one. Well done, okay. And then you change to your F. 1, 2, yeah, just the same rhythm. He played knick-knack. And after knick-knack, you go to your G7 on my thumb. Same strumming pattern. On my thumb. So just 2 strums for that. On my thumb. And now we go back to orange C. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. And then we go to G7. This old man. And back to C again. Went rolling home. Now, I said in the previous film, practice those chords until you can play them without looking at your fingers. F, G7, and C. And if you can close your eyes, even better. Oh, I can't see a thing. F. Where are you? G7 and C. Now, I brought somebody to cheer you up. Somebody, I've got a visitor at the moment. Now, you know that above my head here, one of my heroines is Betty Boop. Well, I've got Betty here with me too. Look. She's dancing for you. And she's got a little ukulele, look. And she's got a little grass skirt. So when she's really excited because you're singing beautifully, she might come and dance, okay? So I need you to be singing nice and loud. Here we go. So we're going to sing This Old Man. Now, I'm not going to play my ukulele. You're going to play your ukulele. And it's going to go like this. Are you ready? A 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man went rolling home. Well done. This old man, he played too. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man went rolling home. And then you can just keep practising and practising till you get good at that. Now, I'm sorry, Betty's going to give you a victory dance for doing so well. Okay? And I will see you in a minute. I have a third video and we're going to have another go at a different song using those chords. Okay, see you soon. Bye!